Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the ONT has stable power and that the PON blink isn't from a weak supply. You'll check the fiber. Any tight bends, kinks, or visible dirt can break the optical link. Once done, reseat the fiber into the ONT and verify the SFP or connector is fully clicked. A loose connector often causes intermittent PON blink. Make sure adjacent gear, splitters, and patch panels are intact before moving deeper. Next, you objectively measure signal and confirm configuration. Use an optical power meter to read received power in dBm. If it's below the provider's spec, the link will blink. You'll also log into the ONT Web UI to confirm serial number and registration parameters match the ISB profile. Mismatched provisioning prevents sync. Once done, update firmware if available and validate VLAN or PPPoE settings, because incorrect network settings can keep the PON from locking even with good optics. Finish by isolating hardware and then escalating if needed. You'll perform a controlled factory reset to clear corrupted configs. Make sure you saved any custom settings first. If the optical power is within spec, yet the PON continues blinking, replace the ONT or SFP module to determine whether the optical port is faulty. If replacement doesn't restore lock, contact the ISB with your measured dBm, serial number, and the troubleshooting steps you ran so they can check the OLT and feeder fiber. Quick tip: if swapping hardware is impossible, request a field technician visit immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.